Hi everyone, welcome to this video about scaling ChatGPT for large-scale deployment. In this video, we will talk about the importance of scaling, the challenges of scaling, and how to scale ChatGPT for large-scale deployment. ChatGPT is a large language model that can generate human-like responses to text-based inputs. It has been used in various applications such as chatbots, language translation, and content creation. However, to use ChatGPT in a production environment with a large number of users, we need to scale it to handle the load. In this video, we will discuss the different approaches to scaling ChatGPT, the benefits of each approach, and the best practices to follow for a successful deployment. Importance of scaling. Before we dive into the details of scaling ChatGPT, let's first discuss the importance of scaling. Scaling is the process of increasing the capacity of a system to handle more load. In the context of ChatGPT, scaling means increasing its ability to handle more user requests and generate responses quickly and accurately. There are several reasons why scaling is important for ChatGPT. Increased user base. As the user base grows, the number of requests that ChatGPT receives also increases. Without scaling, the response time may slow down, and users may experience delays or timeouts. Improved user experience. A slow or unresponsive system can result in a poor user experience, which can impact user engagement and satisfaction. Cost-effective. Scaling allows for the efficient use of resources, which can reduce the cost per user and increase the return on investment. Challenges of scaling. Scaling ChatGPT for large-scale deployment is not an easy task. There are several challenges that must be addressed to ensure a successful deployment. Let's discuss some of these challenges. Infrastructure. Scaling ChatGPT requires a robust infrastructure that can handle the increased load. This includes servers, storage, and network resources. Building such an infrastructure can be time-consuming and expensive. Resource utilization. To optimize the utilization of resources, it's essential to allocate resources based on the load. However, it's not easy to predict the load and allocate resources accordingly. Load balancing. Load balancing is critical to distribute the load across multiple servers. It ensures that the load is evenly distributed and that no server is overloaded. However, designing and implementing an efficient load balancing algorithm is not easy. Fault tolerance. Fault tolerance is the ability of a system to continue functioning even when some of its components fail. Building a fault-tolerant system requires redundancy and backup mechanisms. Security. Security is an essential aspect of large-scale deployment. ChatGPT contains sensitive data, and it's crucial to ensure that the data is protected from unauthorized access and breaches. Approaches to scaling. Now that we have discussed the challenges of scaling ChatGPT, let's talk about the different approaches to scaling. There are several approaches to scaling ChatGPT, including vertical scaling. Vertical scaling involves adding more resources to a single server, such as more RAM or CPU power. This approach is suitable for systems with a low to moderate load. Horizontal scaling. Horizontal scaling involves adding more servers to distribute the load across multiple servers. This approach is suitable for systems with a high load. Hybrid scaling. Hybrid scaling involves combining vertical and horizontal scaling to optimize the utilization of resources. This approach is suitable for systems with a variable load. Cloud-based scaling. Cloud-based scaling involves using cloud resources to scale the system. This approach provides flexibility, scalability, and cost-effectiveness.